Hi everyone, we're back with the Hoover Power Scrub Elite Carpet Cleaner. You can see we're not in my house, we're somewhere else on vacation, and we're going to be cleaning this entire area and some other areas that are in some other rooms. This machine dries 2x faster than the leading commercial steam cleaning service. I use Hoover's Power Scrub spin scrub brushes along with heat force drying, and you can wash and rinse. It's also good on pet stains. Open the darn thing. It also has a large water tank. I think it's over a gallon, if I remember correctly. So let's open this thing up. All right, so we have some solution. We have this little brush right here. We have a water tank, which will probably come out. Let me lift this. Comes out like that, okay. Very large water tank with a separate solution bin right here. We have the handle, along with 2 screws. We have a hose. And of course, the machine itself. So we're gonna put the handle on. I'm on vacation, so I don't have a screwdriver, but I'm pretty sure that the end of a pair of scissors should do the job, or a knife or something if you shove it in the screw. They're not very big and they don't require a ton of torque to put in, so it should work with just a kitchen utensil. I'm gonna try that. Let's tip it forward. Screws go right here. Yeah, this will work just fine. Tightened, worked perfectly. The end of the scissor blade actually fits right into the head of the screw perfectly. Seems like this side right here works a bit better. It's a little bit thicker. All right, that's it. Yep, the handle's in. Put the tank on. Tight, there we go. A little bit of this. This piece of foam right here. It's a pretty large water tank with this pour spout right here. If I can open it up, it's very tight. Of course, we have the attachment for the hose down here. I'll make sure it's set to deep clean. Yes, it is. Wrap the cord. Just going to cut this twist tie rather than wasting time to untwist it. Of course, there's 2 of them. That's the ice maker. It's very loud. All right, I actually prefer to put it through here, and then, yeah, that's good. So sometimes you're able to put them through here and then wrap them up like that to make sure that they don't fall off. Hose It's over here. I don't know where. Maybe this is it. Yeah, this is it. Yep, all right. Whoops. And here's the main upholstery tool, which we'll be using when we do the upholstery cleaning video, which will be after the carpet cleaning video. All right, and all right. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the Hoover Power Scrub Elite Carpet Cleaner, and stay tuned because I have a really big cleaning video coming up very, very shortly. I'll show you the area we're going to be cleaning. It's going to be right in here. Right in this area. So I hope you enjoyed, and I'll be right back with the cleaning video.